Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you how to make eggshell liquid fertilizer. Number 1. Raw eggshell fertilizer. We eat eggs and throw away the shells. These shells have lots of calcium. So we break the eggs and wash the shells by plain water, then dry it in sunlight. After drying, crush them. You can also use a grinder to crush. Then put it in a container and pour some plain water. Mix well and leave it for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, sieve it. Then foliage spray or directly pour into the soil. Number 2. Boiled eggshell liquid fertilizer. We boil eggs and discard the water. This leftover water is rich in calcium. After boiling, we cool the water. Then fill it in a sprayer. The eggshells releases a lot of calcium into the water during boiling. We can spray in our vegetable plants like tomato, capsicum, chili or any indoor and outdoor plants.